The fastest way to measure energy. The new EMpro energy measuring devices acquire your energy data and communicate it quickly and easily to your control and management systems. Additionally, the Rogowski measuring input will save you a great deal of time during wiring and configuration. You can connect Rogowski coils from any manufacturer on the market directly, without the measuring transducer usually needed. Configure and integrate the devices in just 3 steps via the intuitive web-based installation wizard. Set up the communication interface, select the grid type, configure the current and voltage measuring input. For rapid troubleshooting, simply export the current configuration data and error lists. Errors and alarm statuses are displayed in color. Deactivating the interfaces protects your energy and configuration data from unauthorized access. Shutting down operating elements at the device will prevent manipulative operations on site.